Unlocking the power of AI, 10 no-code platforms you need to know. Hey there, tech explorers. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence without writing a single line of code? That's right. Today we're exploring 10 amazing AI platforms and app generation tools designed specifically for non-coders. Whether you're looking to automate workflows, build chatbots, or add a touch of AI magic to your projects, these tools have got you covered. Let's jump right in. 1. ChatGPT. Imagine having a conversation with an AI that feels almost human. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a chatbot that generates human-like responses and engages in natural, flowing conversations. 2. Salesforce Einstein. If you're in sales, marketing, or customer service, Salesforce Einstein is your new best friend. This suite of AI applications and services automates tasks, making your job a whole lot easier. 3. Airtable AI. Love Airtable? You'll love it even more with Airtable AI. This no-code tool lets you create automated workflows, predictive analytics, and machine learning models right within the low-code database platform. 4. Mozilla DeepSpeech. Want to add voice recognition to your project? Mozilla DeepSpeech is an open-source speech recognition engine that's perfect for creating voice-enabled applications without any coding. 5. Google AutoML. With Google AutoML, you can create and train machine learning models without needing extensive programming skills. It's like having a team of data scientists at your fingertips. 6. Microsoft Power Automate. Automate your workflows with ease using Microsoft Power Automate. This no-code platform lets you build automated workflows with various AI capabilities, making repetitive tasks a breeze. 7. AppSheet. Ready to build custom mobile apps? AppSheet is a low-code platform that leverages AI-driven automation and data integration to help you create powerful apps without any coding. 8. RoboRuler. Need a chatbot or virtual assistant? RoboRuler has you covered. This no-code AI platform allows you to create intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants with zero coding knowledge. Groove AI. Groove AI helps you create AI-powered chatbots and conversational interfaces for websites and messaging apps. It's user-friendly and perfect for enhancing customer interactions. 10. Dashbot. Last but not least, Dashbot is an AI chatbot development platform that provides all the tools you need to create, manage, and optimize chatbots without writing any code. So there you have it, 10 incredible AI platforms that make it easy for anyone to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Which one will you try first? Whether you're automating tasks, building chatbots, or diving into machine learning, these tools will help you get started with ease. Happy creating!